Hey people, what's up? There's my 4-year-old brother. 5-year-old. I hope you can see. If you can, I'm sorry. But he really loves baseball. We're gonna throw him. Stand up. Just stand up. Here, ready? He can hit. He just can't catch. Sorry, then sit down, why don't you? He wants to be a catcher one day. What was that? Come on, throw it! Just throw it over here! I'm afraid he's going to be one day bigger one. Ow! Bigger than me one day. He probably is. Curveball! Gotta catch it! I threw that a little fast. Throw it! Throw it! Ready, sit down. He likes me to cover. Yeah. Alright. I'm sorry. Here, come here, Aiden. Can I be the picture now? In a minute. Come on, come on, come on. I like to do this with you. Alright, you're in the picture. Say hi to YouTube when you get up there. Okay. Look at the phone and say hi. Hi. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Throw it. Shoot up. You going so fast? Yeah. Good boy. Oh, yeah. Let me roll it back to you. Okay. To me. Roll it that time. No, you have to roll like that. Sorry, throw it. Good catch it. Throw it. Here he goes. He doesn't know I'm doing this. Between those! He loves me to cover like somebody's on base. It takes some time. I might have to end this video short. Throw it! Whoa! Took a hop. Alright, say bye! Bye! Yeah, that's him. He's 4 years old.